Did you know some birds are so dazzling they seem straight out of a fairy tale? Today, you'll discover the 10 most beautiful birds on planet Earth. And the final one on the list is simply incredible. Vibrant colors, elegant shapes, and fascinating facts that will amaze even those who think they've seen it all. If you love nature and enjoy discovering hidden beauty, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and join us on this journey filled with natural wonders. 10th place, Kingfisher. Like a gemstone carved by nature. 17 centimeters, 6.7 inches, and weighs less than 50 grams, 1.8 ounces. Light as a leaf, but with aim that would make any fisherman jealous. It feeds almost exclusively on fish. Perched on low branches, it patiently watches the water, then dives swiftly and silently when prey appears. A quick, clean, and effective strike. Its distribution is wide. Kingfisher species are found across Europe, Asia, Africa, and Oceania. Each region brings its own variation, but all share the unmistakable charm of the species. Some live in rainforests, others in arid zones. What matters is being near water. Its long, pointed beak resembles a spear, and that's no accident. It's the perfect tool for catching moving fish. A curious nesting habit. Instead of twigs, it digs tunnels into riverbanks using its beak, creating a small chamber to lay eggs. A tiny, determined engineer. Its call isn't especially melodic. Short, high-pitched sounds more for communication than courtship. But when it comes to beauty, this bird speaks for itself. With its glowing look, sharp habits, and fascinating behavior, the kingfisher proves that even the smallest birds can be unforgettable. A true winged treasure. These birds are truly amazing, don't you think? Each one with its own colors, shapes, and habits that seem lifted from a dream. Nature knows how to dazzle us. But what if beauty met luxury? Can you imagine animals worth more than luxury cars or even mansions? Don't wait. Click the video on your screen and discover the world's most expensive cows. You won't believe their prices. 9th place, Violet-crowned hummingbird. A living jewel among flowers. Can you imagine a hummingbird with more colors than a stained glass window? That's the violet-crowned hummingbird, one of the most vibrant birds in the world. Its body looks hand-painted, with metallic hues that shift in the light. This tiny marvel measures just 10 centimeters, 4 inches, and weighs less than 10 grams, 0.35 ounces. It's so light it seems to float by magic. Its flight is rapid, frantic, almost impossible to follow with the eye. It feeds mostly on nectar, visiting dozens of flowers daily, but also catches tiny insects to complete its diet. Its role is crucial. It pollinates plants and helps maintain the balance of tropical ecosystems. This hummingbird is found in Central and South America, always in warm, humid climates. It prefers dense forests but is also seen in flower-filled gardens if nectar is abundant. One of its most stunning abilities is to hover in mid-air, flapping its wings up to 80 times per second. This allows it to fly precisely, stop in place, and even move backward. And it's not just pretty. During courtship, the male performs impressive aerial displays, diving and swooping before the female like a true ballet in the air. Its heart can beat more than 1,000 times per minute, and its metabolism is among the fastest in the animal kingdom. To keep up this frantic rhythm, it must feed constantly, barely resting. Small, fast, and radiant, the violet-crowned hummingbird is like a multicolored flame darting across the sky. Impossible not to fall in love with this magical creature. 8th place, Gray-crowned crane, the queen of the savannah. Did you know there's a bird that always looks ready for a royal dance? The gray-crowned crane dazzles with its golden crown of upright feathers and its elegant poise. It's like watching airborne nobility. It can reach up to 1 meter, 3.3 feet, in height and nearly 2 meters, 6.6 feet, in wingspan. Imposing, yet graceful. Despite its size, its movements are light and choreographed, especially during its courtship dances. This species lives in the African savanna, especially in marshy regions. It's one of the few cranes that can perch in trees, thanks to its long, strong toes. Its diet is varied. Insects, seeds, small reptiles, and even amphibians. It walks slowly along the ground, surveying the terrain with apparent calm, like it's in no rush. Cranes are very social and form stable pairs, a rarity among birds. During breeding season, couples perform synchronized dances with jumps, spins, and wing beats. Its appearance is unmistakable: silvery gray feathers, white cheeks, a dark beak, and of course, the iconic golden crown. A true outdoor fashion show. Its call is deep and powerful, heard from far across the plains, a booming signature of its presence. With its regal posture, striking beauty, and captivating behavior, the gray-crowned crane earns a place among the world's most beautiful birds, true nature royalty. 7th place, White Bride, the winged elegance of South American fields. Did you know there's a bird that looks like it came straight out of an outdoor wedding? The White Bride, with her flawless plumage and striking contrast, is one of the most elegant birds in South America. Small, charming, and full of attitude, she looks like she's dressed up to walk the runway of nature. She measures around 15 centimeters and weighs just over 20 grams. Her body is almost entirely white, with black wings and tail that create the perfect contrast, like a classic tuxedo. Her alert gaze and upright posture give her a noble and serene air. She lives in open fields, savannas, and even farmlands across Brazil, Paraguay, Bolivia, and Argentina. It's common to see her perched alone on fences, dry branches, or wooden posts, calmly and carefully observing the world. She feeds mainly on insects, which she catches in quick, precise flights. Despite her delicate appearance, she's a skilled and determined hunter. During breeding season, the pair shares responsibilities and builds simple but well-protected nests, usually hidden in low vegetation. Chick care is shared, making her even more special. Her flight is light, almost silent. Watching a white bride glide across the fields at sunset is like witnessing a white sigh drift through the sky. This little winged gem proves that simplicity can also be majestic, and that beauty often lies in the purity of white and the subtlety of movement. And you? Have you ever come across this lady of the fields? Leave a comment and let us know if this bride also stole your heart. 6th place, Harlequin Duck, a painting in motion. Can you picture a duck dressed in an artist's palette? That's the Harlequin duck: vivid colors, symmetrical patterns, and contrasts straight out of a Renaissance canvas. It lives in cold regions of North America and Greenland, favoring turbulent waters like rapids and mountain rivers. Even in such wild surroundings, it swims with elegance and strength. Males are especially striking: blue, chestnut, white, and touches of gray. Females are more modest but just as charming. They measure around 45 centimeters, 17.7 inches, and weigh about 600 grams, 1.3 pounds. Its diet includes mollusks, aquatic insects, small fish, and even algae. It dives easily and can stay underwater longer than most ducks. During breeding season, they migrate north and nest beside icy rivers. Despite the extreme cold, their dense feathers provide perfect insulation. And on top of their looks, the male emits a soft, continuous whistle, very different from a usual duck quack, making it even more unique. Have you heard of this stunning species before? Let us know in the comments. And if you're watching on TV, take a break, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and come back to see the rest of the list. It's full of breathtaking birds. 5th place, Beeeaters, the colorful acrobats of the sky. Did you know there's a bird that hunts bees in mid-flight? The Beeeater is a master of this skill, and its plumage is so vibrant it looks hand-painted. With shades of turquoise, yellow, and green, it stands out among the most colorful birds on the planet. It measures about 25 centimeters, 10 inches, and has a slender body perfect for aerial maneuvers. Its name is no coincidence. It feeds on bees, wasps, and other flying insects. Before eating its catch, it rubs the insect against a branch to remove the stinger, an infallible strategy. It thrives in warm climates and is found in Europe, Africa, and parts of Asia. It prefers open spaces, grasslands, and savannas, always near tall branches from which it launches its swift flights. Socially, it lives in colonies and digs tunnels in earthen banks to nest. Sometimes the whole group works together, creating real bird condominiums. During courtship, the male offers the female insects a sort of romantic dinner in mid-air. And its song, soft and repetitive, is mesmerizing, the perfect soundtrack for its sky ballet. Colorful, agile, and full of personality, the Beeeater turns every flight into a true natural show. Fourth place, Flamingo, the pink ballet of salt lagoons. How can a bird be so delicate yet survive in such extreme environments? The flamingo perfectly blends beauty and resilience. And yes, it's naturally pink. Its pink hue comes from beta-carotene in its diet, tiny algae and crustaceans, which accumulates in the feathers. The better it eats, the more intense the color. With long legs and a slender neck, it can reach up to 1.5 meters, 5 feet, in height, though it rarely weighs more than 3 kilograms, 6.6 pounds. Light and elegant, just like a dancer. It lives in large flocks, sometimes thousands of individuals, in saline lagoons and wetlands where it filters food with its curved beak in shallow waters. Its group behavior is astonishing. They sleep, eat, and even dance together, moving their heads, turning in circles, and opening and closing their wings like they've rehearsed for days. They build their nests, small mud towers, in shallow waters, where they lay a single egg and protect it with care. More than a bird, the flamingo is a symbol of elegance, balance, and strength. Watching a flock at dawn is a silent, colorful, deeply poetic spectacle. Third place, fruit dove, a burst of tropical color. If you thought all doves were gray and plain, get ready to change your mind. The fruit dove looks like a living watercolor. Lime green, purple, orange, and even pink blend across its feathers in exotic strokes. It lives in the humid forests of Asia and Oceania, especially on tropical islands. Though shy in behavior, its appearance is unforgettable. It often camouflages among foliage, blending in like part of the vegetation. It measures about 30 centimeters, 12 inches, and has a sturdy body with dense, glossy feathers. Despite the name, it doesn't eat only fruit. It also feeds on seeds and flowers, helping spread plants wherever it goes. It prefers to stay high in the canopy, avoiding the ground, and makes almost no sound. You're more likely to spot it by the brilliance of its feathers than by its voice. During mating season, the male puffs out his chest and displays his plumage in a subtle dance among the branches to woo the female. A curious fact, its short, curved beak is designed to pluck small fruits whole, later dispersing the seeds intact, helping regenerate the forest. Finding a fruit dove is like discovering a hidden treasure among the leaves, a colorful gift from nature. Second place, Victoria Crowned Pigeon, the royalty of the forest. Get ready to meet the most elegant bird on the planet. The Victoria Crowned Pigeon looks like it was designed for a royal parade. Majestic, rare, and absolutely unique. It inhabits the humid rainforests of New Guinea and can reach up to 75 centimeters, 29.5 inches, in height. It's the largest pigeon species in the world. Its body is bluish-gray, with delicately fringed feathers and a crown of feathered filaments atop its head. Yes, it literally wears a crown. Despite its size, it's a peaceful and calm bird. It strolls along the forest floor in search of fallen fruit, seeds, and small invertebrates. Its walk is slow and stately, like it knows it carries natural nobility. Its signature sound is a deep, drum-like coo, and when it spreads its wings to take off through the trees, it's like a scene from a Renaissance painting. Few birds combine such strength and grace in a single body. During mating season, males and females perform visual rituals. They bow to each other as if exchanging silent reverence. It's a display of mutual respect and connection. Sadly, the species is threatened by habitat loss and hunting. Seeing a Victoria Crowned Pigeon in the wild is a rare privilege. Every photo of one is a priceless treasure. Have you heard of this jungle queen before? If you're watching us on TV, hit pause, quickly subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and tell us what you think of this majestic wonder. Then come back. The number one spot will truly surprise you. First place, Replendant Kettzol, the sacred guardian of the cloud forests. Did you know there's a bird so beautiful that ancient civilizations considered it sacred? The Replendant Kettzol is a living legend of tropical forests. With metallic green feathers, a vivid red chest, and a tail that looks like emerald satin ribbons, it's a true natural spectacle. It lives in the cloud forests of Central America, mainly in Guatemala, Costa Rica, and southern Mexico. It prefers high altitudes and constant humidity, where mist covers the branches like a mystical veil. It measures around 35 centimeters, 13.8 inches. But during breeding season, the male grows tail feathers that can be more than twice the length of its body, like flying with a royal cape behind him. Its diet is based on fruit, especially wild avocados. It also eats insects and small vertebrates. Here's an incredible fact. It swallows the fruit whole and later regurgitates the seed, helping regenerate the forest. The Kettzol's song is soft and melancholic, almost a whisper from the treetops. Its shy nature and incredible camouflage make spotting one a true gift from nature. For the Maya and Aztecs, the Kettzol symbolized freedom and spirituality. Killing one was forbidden. Its beauty was meant to be admired, never possessed. During courtship, males perform graceful flights with their long tail flowing in the wind like a magical ribbon dancing through the canopy, a silent tribute to the cycle of life. If there's a bird that can leave anyone speechless, it's the Kettzol. Not only is it the most beautiful bird on Earth, it also reminds us that some natural wonders defy explanation. So, did you already know about this high-altitude marvel? Leave a like and tell us which bird captured your heart. See you in the next episode, as we continue our flight through the most incredible animal wonders on the planet. These birds are truly breathtaking, aren't they? Each with colors, shapes, and behaviors that seem drawn from a dream. Nature really knows how to amaze us. But what if beauty met luxury? Can you imagine animals worth more than high-end cars or even mansions? Don't wait. Click on the video now appearing on your screen and discover the world's most expensive cows. You won't believe the prices.